My name is Mark Dixon and I work for Sonardyne International. I'm the warehouse manager. Sonardyne make underwater communications navigation equipment. Before the lean lifts, we had traditional racking. We'd have to walk around with a trolley and each person would walk around hundreds of meters. The next person would go and pick another kit and they might be picking exactly the same part from the same location. With the lean lifts, we run batches of jobs, 6 jobs on each trolley, and we have 2 trolleys so we can be picking 12 jobs at once. The trolleys from Industore were like the best thing ever because there was like no niggles whatsoever. Before we had the lean lifts, we were averaging around 2 errors per 1,000 parts picked, which is 0.2%, and now we average at 0.06%. 6 errors per 10,000 parts picked. Haynol software is guiding us to the correct bin. There's tray configuration, so you'd actually set up each tray configuration and then assign it to each shelf that you have in the machine. The software is going to guide you to the location. There's a light on there as well, so it will say it's the 6th bin across and the 4th compartment deep. With the batch picking, there's a pick list for each job. We print off a whip label that goes on each kitting bin. There's a phone allocated to the bin. We kind of marry up the phones to the jobs and the pick lists, and then we say these are the 6 jobs we want to pick on trolley 1. These are the 6 we want to pick on trolley 2. Tell the system what phone is allocated to what job and what jobs you want to pick, and then just press start. Even if you don't know what you're doing, you can still work it out. I mean, it's real simple. We do have stock in both machines. We might have a part where 1 or 2 batches is in lean lift 1 and then another batch is in lean lift 2. That gives us flexibility. So if we're doing a batch pick from the first machine and then we've got some replenishment stock to put away, we don't have to put it with the old stock. We can put it in another location. You know, you don't want to overorder your stock and you don't want to underorder your stock. So the stock accuracy is key. We were running at 99.8% stock accuracy, but now it's literally perfect. We have complete control over what bins we put in there, what height, size, width. You're actually putting different tray configurations on each tray depending on what stock you have. The beauty of that is if you decide that you've got 20 centimeter high parts or bins in your tray, you decide to take one bin out and put in a 60 centimeter high box in there. That's absolutely fine. The tray sensors will measure the height of the overall tray as it goes through the lift opening, and then it will find a suitable location to place that tray. And you can also do an optimization on the machine where you actually shuffle the shelves and you condense them down, free up space. It then has room for that larger tray. We have about 5 pickers. They do various tasks. Doing away with not using the ladders is great. Having everything presented to you at the right height, which is safe, and you don't have to twist and turn and bend and stretch and that sort of thing, that's good. The senior management and the stakeholders are very impressed with the machine. They love bringing customers around because they know it's like a showcase for the company, and actually a lot of customers and suppliers come around, and one of the main things that they remember are the lean lifts. We did compare Industore with other suppliers, but we found the approach from Industore very professional. They have as much time as you need. It is really a no-brainer to invest in the Rotomat or the lean lift system. You also get the added bonus of the software, and the software really is superb.